Hey guys, Omar here with the Samsung Buds and my S10 Plus. So the first thing once you've got these Samsung Buds is you obviously want to pair these up. Now these new iterations of the truly wireless earbuds that Samsung has come up with have this new feature now where they're kind of like the AirPods, where essentially as soon as you open them they look for the nearest sort of device and then they're sort of supposed to pair automatically.
Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post.
So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. So if I open these up, it says, do you want to connect? You hit yes. And obviously I've got the Galaxy Wearable App already. It starts to do its settings and install the relevant software. Okay, so once it's done all that, you obviously go through and go through the wizard to set things up, what you want it to control. So manage notifications on your Galaxy Buds. So this obviously when a phone call comes you'll be able to listen to stuff, notifications with different apps, games, things like that. We'll just leave everything as a default and continue, and then it'll say get to know your Galaxy Buds. So obviously these are touch sensitive, so you can double tap to forward a track, you can tap once to play or pause, things like that. So that's all here, and obviously it shows you visually how to control the various settings using tap. And then you got ambient sound, which is essentially when you're outside the surrounding noises can be muffled. So what it does is if you turn this ambient sound on, it will then start to pump the surrounding noise into the earphones, making the surrounding noise more sort of, you'll be able to hear it more basically with these on. And then obviously pairing to your phone and tablet. So that's what we're doing now. And then to charge them, they're obviously wireless charging as well, which I'll show you here. So if you hit finish, that's fine, you're all set, you're paired. And then it goes through, this is just a normal app, the Galaxy Buds. So ready to start, let's go. And then this is just the same stuff that we've just seen. And then this is sort of the equalizer. You get to know how to sort of set up the sound of how you prefer music and all that. So that's basically it. That's how simple it is to set up the Samsung Buds on your Android phone. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.